Building a bathroom bench using ceramic tiles is a smart and durable solution that combines strength, functionality, and modern design. In this video, you will learn step-by-step how to create a strong and waterproof bathroom seat using ceramic tiles, making it perfect for showers, wet areas, and long-term use. This method focuses on creating a solid base, ensuring proper support, and applying tiles with precision to achieve a clean and professional finish. A well-built ceramic bench is not only mukawam lume, but also easy to clean and maintain, making it an ideal addition to any bathroom. Throughout the process, you will discover essential tips on surface preparation, correct cement and sand mixing, and how to align and fix tiles for maximum durability. Attention to detail is key, especially when working in wet environments where water resistance and stability are crucial. This DIY project is suitable for both beginners and experienced craftsmen who want to upgrade their bathroom design with a practical and elegant feature. Whether you are renovating or building from scratch, this technique will help you achieve a high-quality result without complicated tools. Watch until the end to see the final result and learn how to turn simple materials into a strong and stylish bathroom bench that lasts for years. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more professional tile installation tips and creative ideas. In the second part of this project, we focus on the finishing details that truly make the difference. You will see how to perfectly align the edges, fill the joints cleanly, and achieve a smooth, professional look that enhances both durability and appearance. These final touches are essential to ensure your bathroom bench is not only strong and waterproof, but also visually appealing and comfortable to use. We will also share some pro tips to avoid common mistakes, improve tile adhesion, and guarantee long-lasting performance even in high-moisture environments. Paying attention to these small details will take your work from basic to professional mustawa. If you find this content helpful and want to learn more practical techniques in ceramic, marble, and terrazzo installation, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss new videos. Stay tuned for more upcoming projects where we transform simple ideas into professional results step by step.
Nanti